Understanding the phrase, a Hail Mary, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of a Hail Mary. This phrase is intriguing and often used in both everyday language and specific contexts. Let's unravel its meaning together. The term, Hail Mary, has its roots in American football. In a desperate situation, a quarterback throws a long, risky pass hoping for a last-minute score. This play is a long shot, much like saying a Hail Mary prayer in a moment of need. Over time, the phrase has transcended sports and is now used in various contexts to describe any last-ditch effort or desperate attempt to achieve something against the odds. Understanding how to use a Hail Mary in conversation is crucial. It's typically used to describe an action taken with little hope of success, but as a final attempt after all other options have failed. For example, our team was losing, so the coach tried a Hail Mary by substituting in the inexperienced player. The company was on the verge of bankruptcy, so the CEO's new investment strategy was really a Hail Mary. It's important to note that a Hail Mary is often used in formal and informal contexts, but it should be used carefully to avoid misunderstandings. It's not a religious term in this usage, so it's free from religious connotations in modern English. Additionally, it should not be confused with acts of faith or actual prayers, as its usage is metaphorical. A Hail Mary has been referenced in movies, TV shows, and literature, often to highlight a character's desperate move in a challenging situation. It's a popular phrase because it vividly captures the essence of taking a big risk when there's little left to lose. Recognizing this phrase in pop culture can enhance your understanding of its usage and nuances. And that's a wrap on a Hail Mary. This phrase is a fantastic example of how sports terminology can influence everyday language, adding depth and color to our conversations. We hope this video helps you understand and use a Hail Mary confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.